So, typically when any sales rep working for your organization goes on a call and is talking to a customer about digital signage, in the mind of the rep, they're seeing a display, they're seeing a mount, they're seeing a media player, and then how much to install it and quickly turn around to quote and get back to their customer. The challenge here is that when your customer is saying, for instance, can we put a TV up in the lobby to help welcome our visitors, show them what's going on at our company? They're not talking about the manufacturer of a display or a particular media player. What they're really talking about is what's on the screen. The only thing that matters to them is the content itself, not the hardware involved in making it happen. And if you don't get involved in this conversation at the outset, you run a range of risks.